Hi sa lahat! Naimbag nga rabii, it's time for another Learn Ilocano video, and you already know how to say you, and that is Sika. Sika. Now, let's learn how to say me too and what about you? Okay, let's start. Okay, simulan natin sa what about you? Sika ngay. Sika ngay. Okay, slowly. Sika ngay. Ngay. Sika ngay. Or, what about you? Okay, say for example, someone asks you if you speak Ilocano, and you wanna say, yes, a little bit. What about you? Sa Ilocano ay Bassit laeng. Sika ngay. Sika ngay. Or what about you? And with the yes, no, and maybe, we already covered that. And also the Bassit laeng or a little bit. You can check below. I'm going to put the link, but just in case that we haven't covered that yet, to say a little bit, Bassit laeng. Bas, sit, sit, laeng, la, eng, laeng, Bassit laeng. Okay, next. And next, ako rin, or me too. If you wanna say that in Ilocano, Syak. 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 Okay, bago ako magbabay, review tayo. If you wanna say, what about you? Sika ngay. Sika ngay. And to say, me too. Or, sa Tagalog, ako rin. Syak. Syak. One more time. Syak. Syak. Okay, so yan ang ating mga Ilocano words para ngayong gabi. Bye-bye! Good night! Happy weekend!